Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you reviews is for the windshield wipers on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2008-2017. So if we have a Fiesta like that, guys, including the ST, we'll show you which fuse is for the windshield wipers if they don't work. We'll have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. So all you need to do now to show you that it doesn't work, turn the ignition on. Okay, check it out. Windshield wipers do not work, and you think it might be the switch, right? Switch is very easy to replace. We have the video, check it out. But we'll turn the ignition off and I'll show you which fuse needs to be replaced, if that's the case. So now the interior fuse box is located behind the glove. So how you do that? You need to open the glove box, and then on each side you have a stop. One here, one on the other side. You need to squeeze the glove box towards the inside and pull it down. Okay, and those are the stops. Okay, once you jump out of them, you need to grab the box and pull it straight out. Okay, like that. You can see where the hinges are. Okay, that's where they go. The fuse box is located right here. Now we need to locate fuse number 11, 20 amp fuse. Okay, this one right here. We'll go ahead, pull it out. Okay, and replace it with a new one. Okay, this is out. Okay, we get the new one now. 20 amp fuse again. And we're going to push it in. Okay, I'll make sure it's all the way in. So let's go ahead, turn the key on now. Okay, check it out, wipers work perfectly fine. If your washing system doesn't work, okay, the one that sprays water, we have the video which fuse is for that as well. So if you need anything, guys, just let us know. We'll try to make video for you. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.